So I've had this Chargriller grill and smoker for probably 6 months at this point, and it is amazing. It's definitely great for a small space. So I have not that big of a little deck here, but I wanted something that was easy for me to have both charcoal and gas, because depending on the mood, sometimes you just need a quick gas cook grill outside real fast. So here you'll see I definitely have been using it. I've got it warming up right now. It's definitely ready for a deep clean already. But this has been really, really reliable. I haven't had any issues. Temperature gets super, super hot real quick. And then you got the charcoal side, super easy. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. It also has the air vent on the side here. Overall, installing it, or technically building it out, was really easy. It came in, I would say, about 4 pieces. The 2 support beams, the legs, then the 2 individual actual grills itself. But super easy. Highly recommend this. They also have a cover available that fits this perfectly.